not take out.
Yeah. Because it's impossible to fix it without opening the whole bath.
Yes.
Okay. Then I agree with you. Better to take something, otherwise it's too big a job.
Yes. If you have to remove the whole thing and then maybe this panel.
Yeah.
Your mom said try the simple way first. Yeah.
Let's do that. Perfect.
Yeah, I will search about this one and then we'll let you know just.
Yeah, if it's not possible without opening the whole bathtub, then.
Yeah. Let's see the simple way first.
Yeah.
Yeah. At least this no leak.
Yeah. Perfect. Thank you, Max.
Yes.
Very happy.
Thank you.
I will tell her as well, so
Yes.
she's informed.
Okay. 咁而家個客人咧就同佢傾咗咧，就係、等陣先嚇。而家呢度咧就開水咧就係係咁樣開嘅。啲水咧係唔會向上出咗嚟㗎。咁呢個同之前咧已經係好大分別啦。個客人就好開心，因為佢話從來都係好擔心一路沖涼咧，一路流水落下邊呢條罅度嘅。咁而家咧就另外一個問題咧就係個 handle， 當佢用完之後咧，呢度啲水咧仍然咧係會滴落去下邊個地下嘅。咁我要解決第二個問題啦，就係話點樣令到呢個嘢咧，可能咧我就需要揾一樣嘢咧，就 hold 喺呢個位置，就 instead of 嗰度，就我唔會用嗰度嘅。咁但係又要好睇，但係又唔可以轉窿喎。咁呢個就係我第二個任務。咁但係起碼今日咧個客人咧就滿意咗，我自己都滿意嘅，因為望落去起碼唔 cheap 啦。咁同之前嗰個分別就係起碼唔會整 cheap 咗，反而覺得佢之前有嚿膠咧都幾核突㗎。而家就呢個係咪好似一個象鼻嘴咁咧？覺得幾好嘅嚇。咁重新鋪完啲磚咧就佢都話好似原裝咁樣。好，咁而家收工先，差唔多10點幾啦。咁聽日再整埋呢個，咁同埋睇下呢度點樣幫佢搞，因為個客就唔想咁大工程，拆下邊嗰 part 嘢出嚟。咁我睇下咩辦法令到佢可以浸浴缸先。插呢度嘅時候咧，一定要插入啲啦，起碼插到呢度嘅。咁大家可以揾條喉度，究竟我哋大概有幾多啊？因為如果插得唔夠入咧，就有機會咧。唔係咁妥當嘅。呢度咧有個環咧就鎖住嗰個瓷磚啦，就等佢唔會向後透。咁呢度咧就會留翻少少空位，就唔會貼住嗰度嘅。咁但係呢度咧直落咧啲水應該就唔會咁大力咧飆咗上去㗎啦。大概係呢個位置，我留翻咁多位置度啦。咁開啲有咩唔好咧？開啲咧，呢度咧就可能有條罅啦。咁我而家係調校緊，睇下有冇得再咁太埋咧，佢啲水可能會擠咗出嚟嚇。咁我而家試下調校之後，但係咧我有啲瓷磚咧又唔會有條罅啱啱好去個瓷磚邊嗰度。而家呢度就計緊呢個位置。咁邊個時咧我會加翻個銀色框喺度嘅。佢本身我有個銀色框咧，就係之前嗰個水龍頭咧，咁我而家加落呢度。